and simple cooking starts with the right tools. Welcome to FAQ and Facts by AllHome. I am your host, Leona. Now, to help you narrow down from the countless choices available, we have created a checklist of must-have kitchen tools just for you. Now, let's get started. To be able to properly prep your ingredients, a sharp knife is key. But we must remember that not all knives are created equal. You have to know which knife to use for which task. So it's good to have a set just like this on hand. That way you can properly chop, slice, debone, and pare in a jiffy. Now, what's a knife without a chopping board? Chopping boards are absolutely essential for the kitchen. They protect your surfaces. Now make sure you have several boards on hand for raw meat, vegetables, and cooked food. This will ensure that your food does not get contaminated. Bacteria can be transferred from the boards to your food, so you have to be extra careful. Baking is an exact science, which means you have to be precise with your measurements. Enter these measuring cups and measuring spoons. These ensure that the results will be absolutely delicious.
These measuring tools are equally important when you are developing your own mouth-watering recipes. Being able to list down the exact quantities will help you recreate your signature dish for years to come.
Take it from me, as someone who cooks 3 times a day, 7 days a week, spatulas are your best friend. They come in a ton of different shapes and sizes, and we will go through them one by one. First up in our spatula lineup is this Chinese spatula. Check out that shape, which enables you to hold more food. Now this is perfect for stir-frying vegetables and making fried rice. Now next up on our lineup is a fish spatula. Just as the name suggests, this is perfect for when you fry fish. We have holes over here for the oil to seep through, and it's thin enough to get under the fish for easy flipping. Next up on our list is a slotted spatula. Similar to the fish spatula, it has grooves on it and holes so that the oil can seep through. Now this can be used for heavier types of food, such as meat. Finally, we have these silicone spatulas. Now you can use them for cooking as well, as they do not damage your pots and pans. I, however, love using them for baking, as they are perfect for scraping batter off the sides of a bowl. Another important kitchen tool is a ladle. Now, we Filipinos sure love our sabaw, so this is perfect for scooping up your favorite sinigang or your favorite kare-kare. Alright, so far we have covered spatulas, knives, cutting boards, measuring spoons, and cups, and I think we should move on to pots and pans. First up are non-stick pans. These are perfect for when you're cooking from low to medium heat. These are also perfect for food that often gets stuck to it, like eggs. Now the beauty with non-stick pans is that you don't need to use oil. So not only is it easy to clean and easy to cook, but it's a lot healthier as well. Next up on our list are these stainless steel pans. Now these are perfect for frying and browning meats. Another plus is that you don't have to worry about the surface getting damaged. Any kitchen utensil will do. Nothing brings people together quite like food. We show our love and care through the meals we prepare. Having the right tools in your kitchen will help you make many memorable meals for your family to enjoy. There you have it, the complete list of all the tools you will possibly need to cultivate your cooking skills. I hope you were able to list everything down so you can shop at the nearest AllHome store.
You can also visit our website at allhome.com.ph and use this voucher code to get $200 off on your order. You can also visit our Shopee and Lazada shops at AllHome Official. I certainly hope you learned a thing or two from today's episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's YouTube channel. We have a lot more home tips for you, and we can't wait to share them. See you on our next video.